Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, the stock market is falling, so we're gonna be a little focused on the SPY. I feel like they're running it down. I feel like it's a buying opportunity. I'm not seeing any news anywhere other than it saying, "Oh, we're selling off." But yeah, we're selling off right now. So just to kind of let y'all here, let me real quick get the poll in. Is the stock market going to close red or green today? Red, green, break even. All right, let's get it in. Let's get it in. Hey, be sure to smash the like button, family. Be sure to smash the like button on the way in. All right, so yeah, taking a look at things, we're selling off. We're pulling back to some levels like on Meta. We are at an area of interest right here. Could be a good area to push up. But yeah, a lot of, hold up, let's take a look at this SPY. Also at a level of support over here. So this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down to a lower time frame, and I'm gonna, here we got here, let's switch this to like a 15 right here. I wanna get on like a 5 here. I wanna see if we can start consolidating or see if we can get signs of a reversal. Maybe try to see if we can catch a reversal. But let's see. Kong, top of the morning. Azure, good morning. Travis, good morning. Google selling off. Hey, everything's selling off. Yeah, I had to close out of the Google yesterday. Um, I think right now the puts I have are Rigetti and Intel, so I might finally get my opportunity on those. Like honestly, they should have made moves a long time ago. But honestly, it's kind of wild that they're still up so much. Patrick, good morning. Good morning. Dang. Okay, Spy still pushing. Here, let me maybe extend this previous trend line right here. We'll see how we hold up here because this if we look back right here, we got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch flips, and now support. 6 touch, 7, 8. This is our 9th touch to this trend line. So we'll see how we hold up here. We're also at 660, which is going to be a psychological level. So yeah, we'll see how that is. Hey Patrick, appreciate that. Appreciate that. Gucci Loud. Hey, welcome to the family. Power Noodles. Good morning. Oh yeah, I'm very red. I'm very red right now. Um, how I kind of, if I wasn't on stream, I would honestly just kind of step back and like just kind of wait for levels to be hit. But how I'm going to go about this right now is it's like, yo, we're at 660. If we confirm below 660 here, let me we might still have steam. Otherwise, this might be a good area to like pick up. So I got that marked at like 660 or so. We can see if we confirm there, but this is a psychological level. So it's like it can either get really, really nasty, or this is a good area to scoop up. So we'll kind of see how this ends up turning out. I kind of hope it gets nasty. That way we can like get a stronger reversal. I'd like to sell out of some stuff. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna come to a lower time frame on the Intel. Intel's been very irrational lately. All right, so it looks like we're finding a little on the 15-minute. Looks like we're finding some support there. But yeah, I'm watching to see kind of what the different candles look like. Hey, shout out to the 7 people that came through and smashed the like button. Man, still gotta check news on this. See if we okay. Oh, okay. I got news 3 minutes ago. Trump threatens massive tariff hike on China amid rare earth dispute. Okay, that's probably where this is coming from, and if it's Trump related, I don't know. It could be resolved over the weekend. We'll see. It's, let me check. I saw some other stuff. Yeah, that's like the main thing I see is Trump, uh, with the massive tariff hike on China potentially. It's what's selling things off. All right, so as of right now, having confirmed below the 660. Hey, that's a good morning audio, Reese. Hey, top of the morning. But yeah, I'm trying to play patience right now. I was like, we decided to fall. We just got right when the market opened, we got or right when this stream started, we got Euro close. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little upset about some entries I got that I took yesterday and today. Well, not too much about today, but yesterday entered a call on Meta. This will be a much better entry. I actually need to take a quick look at Meta, see if that's still looks valid. Oh shit, we might be getting a retest right now. Meta might be. We'll have to see. Okay, still just a 5 minute candle, so no confirmation that we're like moving up yet. But hey, okay, I see y'all coming through a little bit more with the likes. Almost okay, right there at 50%. All right, looks like we still got some selling pressure. Still got some selling pressure, a little bit. But want to see if we go to like if we can confirm below the 660 level. Next level below this looks like it's going to be about 658. But I'm doubtful they'll like let it run that far. That was a good quick move. But we'll have to see. So we got Amazon. Amazon was doing all right too. Let me check in on Amazon real quick. Yo, Amazon like kind of broke out and they sold back off. All right, spot look like it's trying to come down some more. All right, okay, we're back below 660. Okay, right there. All right, so I noticed the volume is decreasing. Do wanna point that out. We are below this trend line. Did we ever like was this a sweep or did we just like come really close? Let's see. Because if this is a, I'm not sure we came to sweep this. We might come down to like 630 or 654.30. Let's see. Yeah, this might be what we're targeting today. We might continue moving here. All right. Okay. I think I might go really light on a put, depending on how much they cost. Let's see. Go for like a less than $50 zero DTE. But I like that area. I like the idea of targeting that area. Oh, actually, it's trying to hold up. But if we, once again, if we can confirm down there or look like we're still pushing, that area looks like here, let's see, like it could be on for something. 654, is that kind of little more than I thought. All right, we're still holding up at 660. Moo, good morning. So yeah, we're selling off. Apparently, Trump is threatening slapping higher tariffs on China. And I believe that is why we are selling off like we are. But it honestly looks like we might hold up here. We're getting some consolidation. So I might just be like, yo, hold strong for now. We definitely have the VIX going up though. Increased volatility. Ran up to 20, up 28% on the day. All right, let me check the other way. See what the delta's looking like. It's just like 13. All right, I'm gonna go in on oh, it's moving up. See if I can get filled. Yeah, it keeps trying to run away from me. All right, I got filled. I bought a 668 call. It's a zero DT. I'm gonna see if I can make some quick money on it. All right. All right, so up like 18% on that SPY call. So first area, kind of drawing targets on what I'm looking at for this SPY call, like where it could go. First area I'm looking at like 650 or 665. Let's see, next area. Probably about this 668 area if it still has momentum. And that would take it in the money. And here, let's see. Then be looking at like 671, or I guess, yeah, like 670 or so. We'll see. See if we can get there. All right. Okay, let's see. I like this candle on the 15. That's very reversal like, but let's see what this next candle looks like on the 15. Very focused on the SPY right now. We've been very, for the most part, very range bound, or at least all the stocks I've been looking at. All right, trying to push down a little bit. All right, that the VIX is coming down, so my contracts are losing premium. I'm down on a SPY call now. Let's hope I don't get trapped. We'll give it a little bit, see if we can make something happen here. But y'all, I was out like taking out the trash today, and the what is it? The oh, it's kind of wild. I just looked at my phone. I'm like, yo, this how this stock's doing, because it was looking good this morning, and like legit, like right when I'm taking out the trash or on the way back, I'm like, yo, why? How is this down like this? Then I look at the market. I'm just like, oh. Then I'm trying to see what's going on. And honestly, I didn't even find out till the stream started. All right, Amazon is I guess like up like $3 off the bottom. It's not too bad. Yeah, Meta looks like they had a nice sweep. I would expect that to come up. SPY call less down than it was. MIT rejects Trump administration deal for priority federal funding. The Massachusetts Massachusetts Institution of Technology rejected the Trump administration's compact for academic excellence. Sally announced, hold up, this is another breaking news. Rare earth stocks jump after Trump says China holding world captive over the metals threatens countermeasures. All right, so we still got the SPY pushing up from here, so that's good. Seeing the continuation. Let's see if we can take out these targets. But going back to what I was saying, excellent. Sally Kornbluth announced in a Friday letter. Hold up. Okay, I don't really see much else there. Wait, what is this? BBC raises questions over billionaires' reported plans for AI-era bunkers. Hey, Jojo, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Hey, okay.
Very disappointed in the lack of rule following in the chat.
All right, let's see if we can. Here, we're sliding this down a little bit. Slide this to like 665 or so. There we go. Yeah, so it looks like we're like right off this trend line. You see it other times. Hopefully it looks like this. I think September 17th. Sold down to like 654 by the close of the candle. It was back up at 659. So we'll see what happens here. All right, we got some selling pressure like right here. I guess 664 is going to be some trouble a little bit. D Kim Films. Good morning from Seoul, Korea. Are you visiting or are you like, is that where you're living? Top of the morning, family. Is it morning there? I feel like it'd be like nighttime or something. But yeah, it's morning. It's morning here. All right, so we bouncing around a little bit. Yeah, I'm tired. A little bit, a lot of bit. Trading 20 full time since 2024. What do you like to? What are your go-to stocks that you trade? That's kind of clean though. All right, so looks like we're coming back down for a retest. We got some buying pressure at around this 660 area. See where it can take us. We got the volume is continuing to like kind of taper off though. Let's see if we get like some kind of double bottom or something. We failed to make I guess a higher high. Let's see where this low goes. Oh dang, Alibaba selling off. Hold up. This might be a little opportunity. Oh, I got an alert that's set for this 153 area. I don't know why specifically. Here, let's go to go up to like a daily. Let's see. I don't even see it. Let's go weekly. Let's go back to 4. What is this? I guess it's for the 200 EMA. Probably a good reversal point though for Alibaba. Emery top in the morning. Missed that sell. Hey, for real. I very much so missed it too. Yeah, I was taking off the trash. That's like I think when I left to like start taking out the trash, it might have been like around like 670 or something. At like midway, I see it at like 666, 665. And I come in here, sit down, like it's at 664, 663, and I'm like, oh, okay, it's kind of lost the stream. Got a $30 lift call. Here, let's see. Let's check out lift. Might be a good time to pick it up. Let's see. Oh yeah, hold up. Okay. I like a lift pickup here. Actually, yeah. So they did like hit this alert earlier. But also, yeah, that's a really good level here. Busy people. Here, let's see. Let me check out Lyft real quick. Or Lyft options. Yeah, we might end up cutting out here. Let's see. Red Sea today. Nah, for real. I think Fridays might have to start being like I might have to be on Friday like at market open cuz it's like when they do want to play games on Friday, it's early, and then when I normally come around on Friday, it's like not really much going on. So it's like I like my 10:30 time, but Friday, yo, they play the games for real. Oh, hey, what's up, M Sense? Appreciate you. Number 22. All right, what do I think of sound? $19. Hold up, we just closed the 4 hour. Hold on, let me take one quick look at how we close out. Oh, we might hold up. We might hold up. But taking a look at sound. And you said what day? Oh, for next Friday. Joey V, I don't know about buy clothes. I would like to think so, but we'll see. It can still continue coming down if we confirm below this 660 area. All right, going for the calls. I'm like, we're still making lower lows and lower highs. So when it comes to that 219, it's like I say like right now it's 50-50 cuz or going for that 19 call. It's like I say it's 50-50. Got the RSI in the middle. It's already had like a run. It really just depends on if they're going to allow for more movement today. Romero, what's up? Hope you had nah, I was not I've been at a conference the past few days. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get back in the market today, but I didn't have anything. And I was gonna kinda like get back whenever I like got here, but nah, they started moving it when I was taking the trash out. Just flips on for hey, good stuff, Ramiro. Do I trade? Uh, I so DK Films. I whenever I find Tesla to be predictable, yes. But yeah, it's like if it's unpredictable, I'm not gonna be trading it. So yeah, it's like I do sometimes, but not when it's like not as obvious. And then there are times I like see Tesla, and it's like I'm not going to I'm not going to deal with it because it's like the price of the options are more than what I can what I am confident that the stock is going to move to. It's like Tesla can always move more, but it's like, oh, that move is not big enough for the budget that I'm playing with. Because if they want to take their time, it's like, oh, this contract's going to lose value before it actually gets to like an actual move that I was looking for. Dominique, hey, see Smooth caught that move on the down on the hey, good stuff. Hey, you did it on the SPX. Hey, that's probably some big money right there. Dang, we will back at like 1192. We'll see. Like right now, Spy ever since pretty much since the stream started, the Spy has been in this range. So like since I started the stream, the Spy like I was considering grabbing a put, but I grabbed a call. But yeah, unless the Spy like confirms below this like 660 area, it can just chill here. But if it breaks below here, I think it can go to like 654.30 or so. Yeah, I made a rookie mistake by holding on to a call this week, but I guess you live and you learn. Yeah, I got some calls too. But I still think my calls can play out. And I feel like after it's kind of ran and like the stuff I was looking at, like I have a call on Meta. By the time I looked at Meta, it was already at like 717. And I'm like, oh, support's right here, so there's no point in me selling out and taking profits. And then Oracle, I got calls on Oracle, and oh, it's only down a couple dollars, so think it'll break up. I think there's a good chance. Will it happen today? I don't know about that. We'll see. We will see. They very well could just like stop its motion. Yeah, got a little consolidation action here. Still like slightly oversold on the 5. Still selling down on the larger candles. Oh wait, hold up. I'm on the 4 hour right here. Let's get this down to like a 15. Yeah, it's like we're selling into that buying pressure. But said we're going lower on the Spy soon. Hey, we're definitely weakening its defenses. So if we do, might have to jump in on some downside, but it's not exactly coming down yet though. See, we keep forming these wicks. Pushing up some more. Bear trap. Hey, I'm here for it. Yeah, trap them up, trap them up. Honestly, I feel like I should grab another meta. I feel like I got bamboozled yesterday. Where we at? Let me take one more look at meta. Oh yeah. Yeah, I might have to. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one more average down. Hmm. Oh. Spreads on all these option contracts are wide. All right, selling down a little more. What's this? All right, where's that meta contract I was looking at? All right, I averaged down on my meta calls. Let's see. I grabbed one at 265 just for the record. What just happened? Oh, it just crashed out on me. Grab the second contract at 265 per share. There we go. And good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, we're just consolidating. But yeah, I'm in on my second one over here. Go on and draw that up. Yeah, bro, I've been really busy lately. I had to take a break from trading, but happy. Hey, happy you were able to make it through as well. Always good to see your name, Romero. Yeah. Yeah, we might go down some more. We're coming back down to retest this low. It's like I'm saying we might go down some more, but nothing new has happened. So don't be afraid. It's like we might go down, but we might also come up. We might not do anything else. That's pretty much all. That pretty much covers all the directions we can go. But y'all know how I said I went to a conference this past few days, right? I think we about to test a low a day. Yeah, that's I think so too. And I think here we find out if we are going to get some sort of like double bottom or something, or if we are gonna like sweep that liquidity. April, what's up? What's good? Hey, y'all, take a look at this. Y'all see this in my hands on the stream? This is real gold right here. But they're like dollar bills. Wait, okay. Said happy Friday. How do you check the spread? What do you look for? Here, I can like pull it up on Robinhood real quick. Let's see. So the spread is just gonna, oh wait, hold on, I gotta sign in. So the spread is just gonna be the difference between the bid and the ask price. Let's see. See if I can. Oh, nope, can't sign into the Robinhood right now. Cannot sign into Robinhood. Well, anyways, the spread is just going to be the difference between the bid and the ask price. So whenever it comes to, let me see, if I go to a contract, options contract, and I'm looking at it, and here I'm trying to sign in. And here, let me pick like let me just go to the SPY, see what those are looking like. All right, so if I click on the SPY to click trade options, yeah, the bid and ask price, yeah, the spread is just the difference between those two. And normally, like as long as it's less than like 5 cents, I'm cool with it. But it's like you'll notice in times of increased volatility that spread will increase. And then also on lesser like stocks with lower trading volume, you'll usually see a higher spread. Oh, Apple kind of selling off a little bit. Oh, dang. AMD is selling off. Whew. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's not like too crazy from because of the move it's made, but hold up. This was technically a demand zone. Well, I guess it didn't like fully pull back to it, but it was like 209, 210 area. But yeah, I was just looking at my AMD. I was like, man, I'm up. But that's not the case today. All right, let me take a look at Apple like I was about to. Yeah, Apple pulling on back. About to cross over here. Let me set an alert at this 200 EMA. Hey, very welcome, April. All right, SPY trying to push up. All right, little push up on Meta. Check in on Oracle. All right, yeah, SPY slight, ever so slight increase in volume on the 5, but it's upwards, moving upwards a little bit. See if we can get above the 13 EMA on the 5 because we have not been able to. Failing to make highs. Still just trading sideways. Almost been on an hour. Seems like the market will push back up. Yeah, that's kind of what it's looking like. It's just the longer it takes, the less premium they're on the calls, or at least for the zero DTEs. This one is on like quick. But yeah, the market is very resilient. Like I saw headlines that the Fed members that were speaking today were, they're not Jerome Powell, by the way, so it's not like anybody like major, but they're just talking about more rate cuts. Let's actually look and see what we're pricing in real quick. All right, so we got the next Fed meeting in 19 days. So it looks like we're pricing in another quarter point rate cut. So it doesn't look like anything's really changed. Yeah, but we're trying to hold up here. Let me check my stock portfolio today. Oh yeah, I'm down almost 5%. Dang. It's a fat pullback. Hey, but it's a good day to DCA. Okay, let's see. I'm looking at a derived swing play on Oxy, 42 strike, 30 delta. Okay, so is it a call? Here, let's see. Oh, it's a put? It's a swing put for Oxy? I'm gonna be real, like you might be able to get a couple like a couple percent off that, but it's not anything I would go for. Like it's already like it's oversold. It's at an area of support. It's like I'm gonna say that that goes against my trading. Like I don't know if like it could account for like some kind of unusual activity, and if somebody knows something, it could drop more. But like just off technical analysis itself, at a level like this, I mean, you could like it has like kind of come to this level of support like at least three other times before. So maybe this could be the time it broke. But like just looking at it, it's like I would want to play something like that afterhand. Like I feel like if you get that, it has the potential to be big, but as like just looking for that play and like looking for it to go there, I don't know. I wouldn't expect it, but you might be able to get some. All right, we got Meta pushing up. We got the Spy. Spy is at that 13 EMA on the 5. See if we can get some kind of push, some kind of volume. I only cared because it was an 8 trade and swing, but yeah, I'm starting to see what you see. Hey, M says I would definitely add that to the watch list though and see kind of how it goes. Like it's crazy when I was using it. It was like all the trades that I really wanted to take were all the ones that I really did not trust at all. So it's like I personally just found it hard to like make decisions with that because it's like, oh, I don't know exactly how it's making these decisions. If I could see every factor, it's like cool, but if not, But here we can take a look. Let's see if we can look up Oxy on Market Dash. Here, let's see. Let's see Oxy. So right here, here let's see if we can get the kind of whale activity for Oxy real quick. That's probably why I said call that first because it looks like it's gonna bounce. Okay, so Oxy, the dark pool trades. 50 minutes ago, someone sold 43 or 42,000 shares at 43.03. So I don't know. Maybe they know something. That's showing there's some people selling, but I don't know. Hold on, let me take a look at Oracle real quick too. Let's give it a moment to pull up the chart. I grabbed some Oracle calls because of some unusual activity. see. How do you deal with taking losses? Because I'm down 2K this month. Um, so often when we're losing, there is data to review. There's information to go over. So we look and see kind of what attributed to our failures, and like from there we can look ahead and say like, how can I prevent this from happening? What was causing that? Like these past couple days, I've been a lot more down on my positions. I know part of it is due to the fact that I was at a conference and like kind of like half trading, or not like really too much trading, but it's like I closed things out because I'm like, I probably closed some things out too late, and then other things I probably didn't get the best entry because I wasn't watching close enough. So that's on right there. And then like if I look back to today was just like unexpected market volatility out of nowhere. So it's like when you notice like the increased volatility like today, that's kind of where probability comes in. When you take a trade, it's like there's a like say you have an 80% probability of winning a trade, there's going to be that 20% that just of life that can just happen. That's what just happened. So it's like, okay, that's still in line with my strategy. And if I keep this strategy risking this much, this should still be okay. But like when it comes to like me the past few days, I should have honestly closed out all my positions before I even went to the conference, or just like completely left them alone, and I probably would have been better off like just leaving them alone. So it's like just like reviewing what's actually going on, reviewing how you can like improve on that, and then like sometimes you need to take a little time off, like to like reframe your brain and let you know like, oh, you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing. Hold up, let's see. So here, let's see. Fireball said, "What about IAC? Is that a stock? Oh, Oracle. Hold up, we got real quick. 51,000. That's yesterday. Okay, is IAC a stock? Okay, let's see. What is this? What is it? IAC. Oops, it's down a buck, not up. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that was LAC. Well, anyways, let me check out IAC while we're here. Oh, it's like 50. I'm not sure this one will have data, will it? We'll see. Definitely overbought. Yeah, I don't see any like buying activity except for like over here when like 18 days ago when we got the buying activity, but there's been like nothing major since. That's probably why it's still holding up there. Can you believe I bought 671 30 contracts at 39 this morning, but I've been sleeping in between trades and lost? Wait. So I canceled it and it's not at 900. Wait. 671 30 contracts at 39. Lost 1,500. Yeah, so I think one thing to say is honestly, and this is on you and I. It's like I don't know. It's like whenever there's not like a clear clean move, it's like we probably shouldn't be in any large trades whenever things are like uncertain or just moving slowly. Oh, 671 puts. Wait, you lost 1,500? Oh, you lost 1,500 yesterday. Okay, and canceled it. Oh, okay. Hey, nice. Nice. Oh, cool. Hey, good stuff, Steve. Yeah, I was about to say, I was like, yeah, those things are probably gone. But no, that's amazing then. Good stuff. Amazing. Love to hear that. All right, Spy failed to get above that 13 EMA on the 5. See if we can come get another low or like come test that low, see kind of how we do here. But yeah, it's like I think we'll have to start doing this like at open market open on Fridays. Why do I have 3 arrows? I'm assuming you mean like these green things. Those are price tags, targets. Those were like kind of the next areas for the spy when I was like talking about where it could go. But we haven't really moved. So it's like it's not gonna go there if we don't get any movement at all. Oh yeah, that's nice, Steve. That is really nice. Yeah, yeah. Hey, Romero, that may have to be the move. It's like yeah, cause that's it seems like Fridays they like to what is it? It's like go 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 at market open, and then or it's like go 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 like the first I guess we'll call it power hour, maybe first 30 minutes or so, and then like by the time I get on Friday, it's like it's dead. Use my are you buying Chipotle? You know what I'm buying right now? I don't know if you can see my hat, but hey, I'm buying Adobe. Let's see. Oh, Meta trying to sell off some more. All right, Spy is looks like it's coming to retest this low for today. Let's see what we get here. Here comes the real drawdown. If we end up selling off here again, hey, this is my next target is like this 654, the 654 kind of area, 654.30 or so. Good call on Adobe. I'll just add it. So yeah, bro, if you look at Adobe's like balance, if you look at their balance sheet, their numbers have been going up. Like their revenue's been going up. Their but their stock price is like chopped. Like like they're I think they were at like 550 or something. their numbers have just been going up kind of consistently since then. It's kind of like similar to what AMD was looking like. They were their numbers were going up, and stock price was going down. It's like I like when I see that. So right now, I feel like I saw a news kind of report or something talking about like saying the same thing about Adobe. Like I feel like I got like a notification on Moomoo about some kind of reporter writing something about that. Wait, let's see. But still a solid player with tons of market share. Yeah, the missed deal with Figma. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Here, let's see how Fig's doing. I know they kind of popped off. Was that this week? I feel like they popped off earlier this week. Okay, they kind of sold back down a little bit. But yeah, they ran up to like 771 or whatever. All right, okay. Spies back testing this low. Let's see how we do. All right. I got some kind of alert go off. Oh. S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial sink as Trump appears to cancel Xi meeting Amir Riddick. Okay, so I guess they cancel their meeting. It's been down because of their AI guidance, which doesn't make cost. Their revenue and margins are insane. Hey, I'm here for it. Whatever opportunity we can take. I think I'm adding Adobe. Like, what price is it at right now? Yeah, I'm getting like, think about a half a share a week. All right, we're still here at these lows. Locked and load this time. Hey, let's see. Hey, we're here. Hey, gotta remember these candles over here. This is showing buying pressure. So I wanna see us like take that out or see us like pass that up. All right, so we got a new low a day. Let's see how this candle treats us. Got 9 minutes left on it. Volume is the lowest it's been today. Do want to note that. But yeah, let's see how we go. Where we go. All right, still showing a little buying pressure on the 5 minute. Not out of there yet. Yeah, it's a little battle. We might accelerate though. We might accelerate down. All right, once again at that low of day. What's it gonna be? All right, selling on down some more. Still got 6. I want to go in on a 0DT SPY call, but the premium, hey, for real, they are. Brad guy, good morning. Hey, how am I doing? I'm doing right now. That's all I gotta say. I'm doing. Doing some selling off. Trump always has to pop off and keep things spicy. Here, let me let's mark whenever what day did the trade the government shutdown start? Let's see. I need to like mark that with the arrow. So government shutdown on October 1st. Okay. So government shutdown. Started right here. All right, so we're back to the levels where it originally shut down. Or actually, we're lower than it was. Okay, hold up. All right, so we got confirmation on a 5-minute. But we still got to see what's up with this 15-minute. Oh, hold up. let's see. New China tariff announcement. Yup. Stock market dive was diabolical. For real, bro. I was just taking out my trash, man. I was like, yo, let me take out this trash real quick before the stream. I look, I'm like, dang. I'm like, Meta was, I think it was at like, I don't know, like 720 or 628 or something. And then I look, I'm like, yo, what? Why is it at six? I think it was dropped to like 616 or something like that, or 618. I'm like, dang, what's going on? Absolutely diabolical. Okay, bought 1660 call October 1st. I appreciate that, Pullman. Risk it 140. Yeah, we got a minute 45 left on this 15-minute candle. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. We're trying to move just slow enough. Honestly, let's go through and identify what's at some like I'm gonna go on like a weekly, see if anything looks like it's at any good weekly levels. Yeah, VIX spiked up to like 22. I got too much on the SPY charts. Honestly, it's not looking too bad yet. Let's see. Like on the 4 hour, it looks. Actually, we hadn't crossed on the 4 hour yet. Let me take a quick look on the one. Yeah, we crossed on the one. Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see if they give it to us today. All right. Started out with the blue candle. That one pushing up a little bit. Like that's yeah, we're pushing up on that one. But yeah, we got a new low close. See what happens with this one. Still haven't got a complete candle on the 15 yet. No like crazy selling pressure since we hit that low day. Oh, dang. Okay. A little more selling pressure there. All right, Meta back to low of day. it's I think we're coming down on the spot actually. Let's see. Yeah, I think we might be heading to that what I say 654.30. Let me close that spy call I had. Oh, it's like worthless now. Yeah. Joe still try to sell out of it. All right, yeah, I sold out of it for like 3. That thing went worthless. Yeah, I think we're coming down to this area, then I think we can come up. Like I might consider some kind of swing once we get to that 654.25 area. Yeah, lost 40 on that call, preserved 100. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Way to preserve it. But yeah, I think we're so anybody riding downside doesn't look as great to me. But yo, I think we can pull to the 654 because we got like some liquidity here. Where is it? Was it? There was something I was looking at. Oh, yeah, 654 down here. So yeah, we got this liquidity here that had wait. That's so weird. Hold up. I got the same chart pulled up twice, but on this candle, it comes all the way down here to like 652.52, and on this candle, it comes down to 640 or 654.33. This is the exact same chart, exact same stock, just 2 different places. So I don't even know now. Hold up. Here, I'm gonna try to pull it up again over here because I can't even set targets if the targets aren't even. All right, so when I pull it up again, it's down here at like 652.50. I'm gonna try to pull it up over here one more time, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, trading view acting up. Data ain't line up. Nah, now over here it's like, oh, it's legit 50-50. It's like some candles, there's like 2 of the charts, the candle comes down to 254, like 33. And then over here, it comes down to like 252.33. Yeah, Brandon, you did. But yeah, that 30 minutes of time though, that makes a big difference whenever you're looking at or whenever you're trying to, if you're trading 0 DTEs though. Lose a lot of value to time. Here, I'm gonna swap this back to the Qs. All right, so the only thing I got that I'm writing down right now is Rigetti. So I would really actually like to see us like sell off big enough to actually get this down. All right, so we selling on down. Looking to get into Rigetti. Oh, you're looking to like buy it? Honestly, I don't think Rigetti is anywhere near good prices. Like I'm down on my Rigetti put. So I am just trying to like it can get to a profitable position to me, but I'm just trying to right now I'm just trying to get it somewhere cuz it's like it might be like a week ago or I guess Tuesday. On Tuesday I grabbed the put and it's like when I grabbed the put, it immediately like started moving towards my target. Like real quick and then it just went right back up. But it's like extra overbought. It kind of its movement seems irrational. So I'm trying to hold it out because I know it's gonna have a big move. But I'm riding it to the downside. Trying to see how far I can take it, but it hasn't been able to confirm below the 13 EMA on the 4 hour. It's like it looked like it was when I first got in. I think I got in over. Yeah, I guess on Tuesday. India has a deal with Rigetti. They making Rigetti pop off like that. Honestly, I hope we did. I hope we fall for like a lot of the next. I don't know. I hope we fall for like the next week. We very much need to. I'm gonna need Trump and G to like get it together, man. It's like all these Trump moves always end up working against me. All right, SPY back at 650 here. Let's go back to the 15 on SPY real quick. Still technically didn't confirm on the 15. All the Indians buying. Is that really here? Let me see. On the cool, if if all the Indians are buying, that's a lot of buying pressure. They got 99 point. Here, I'm a search. See what's up. Oh yeah, we're still coming down. So let me get on Moomoo. Let's take a look at Rigetti. Where's it at? Oh, y'all know somebody like messaged me last night, and they're like, "Yo, I think they said something about like APLD. They had some. It was up like big overnight. Looks like at like yeah, they're like, what should I do? And like, of course, I'm like, yo, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I can't say. But I'm like, yo, if it were me, and it was like the contract expired today, I'm like, yo, I would definitely take profit on that if it were me. But you know, stuff like this. Exactly why after a gain like that, I would take profit at open. I know we got paid though. Because that was a huge gap. We could be running up off the 26 low. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, there's potential for that. Potentially. This is just a juicier level. Like so, yeah, this area was next support, like the 26 low. This down here was just an obvious buy if we come down to the 654. Like if we come here, I think it'll be a lot stronger of a move up. What do you think about K view? What is this? What is K view? Household personal care. Oh, they own Tylenol. Okay. I feel like their Tylenol sales will eventually go back up. They're like oversold, but it seems like a buying opportunity to me. But I'm gonna be real, it's not gonna be one I'm buying. But it looks like a buying opportunity. Intel's another one that keeps like melting up. Like we're trying to slow down here again. It's popping up in Yahoo Finance options, like unusual options activity. Let's see. K view. All right, Meta. All right, nothing going on there. I don't know why I said all right, Meta. Spy trying to pull back up to the 13 EMA, but we're still riding it down. Biggest losers on the day. I'm seeing BM&R is down pretty close to 8%. Robinhood, hold up, let's take a look at Robinhood. Honestly, Robinhood's approaching a good like kind of buy opportunity. At this at this I guess kind of this trend line, kind of the top end of this channel, and then also if it comes down to this 137.85, there's some liquidity there. But also this trend line and this, oh, this is a 48 EMA as well on the 4 hour. And now I'm looking at it, there's more liquidity over here that it actually looks like we just swept. Robinhood looks like it's good to go for upside. You said app loving is a great buy opportunity, or are you buying shares or options? I know every time I look at app loving, I'm like, yo, the spreads on the app loving is like nasty. And then like there are areas where it's like, yo, it's a great buy, but it's just like the options are nasty. And then like I don't know, it's just not a stock that I like watch like that just because I don't know why. I think it's because the options are usually pretty nasty on it though. Oh, you said great opportunity for shares. Okay, I'll stand on that. App loving shares. Let's zoom out a little bit. Oh yeah, yeah, that looks good. Like riding the trend, or it looks, yeah, it looks decent. It's like I feel like I'm a little more greedy with the stuff I pick up. Here, let's but yeah, I would throw app loving in a. Did they get S&P 500 inclusion too? Hey, peace out, audio reached. Have a blessed day. Okay, yeah. So yeah, looking at them, I would say they're probably in a better buy position than Robinhood. Now that you mention it, like just like looking chart wise on the weekly, said VIX looks good. Where's the VIX at? It's at about 20, 21. Hey, we're trying to buy up. I've never actually like traded the VIX. It's like I use the VIX for information, but I've never like traded the VIX. All right, we got the SPY trying to push back up a little bit. Still not above the 13 EMA though. Yeah, we got this SPY pushing up for real. Okay. Okay. Yeah, hit that 13 EMA. Had a quick slap down. Yo, it might try to come for it. We'll see what it does when it retests 660. See if we can get a little something something. But I guess that means my Rigetti is still not being held down. All right, Oracle almost back to break even. What do you think about leaps for Wolf? How much of a pullback? Here, let's see. Let's take a look at Wolf. So they're at 13. So I think they already pulled back to the first level. I was looking for them to pull back. Let's go down to a 4. Yeah, they already pulled back to that last pullback area. And then the current rate. So here. So right now they are pulling back. So until they set like some fresh liquidity, like they could end up setting some liquidity higher. But right now I'm looking for this like anywhere in this box. Let me draw it. So from about why did so maybe from like 1190 up to like I guess 1225 or so in this box, or maybe a little past this box. That's where I look at picking it up. I hope SPY go ahead and bounce. I'm in a silver put. I'm in the green for a few days. Hey, we'll see. It doesn't look like it is ready yet on the cool. But speaking of silver, I got some gold right here. These things are so cool. It's a cool thing. Hey, great minds think alike, Luke. Great minds think alike. If we're gonna run, I want us to run. Honestly, we could end up pushing back up though, like back above this, because we still haven't like confirmed on the 4 hour below this trend line, and the 13 and 48 EMAs are still like the 13 is still above the 48 on the 4 hour. Looking at the SPY. Yeah, we still pushing up, man. Nvidia was up kind of nice today. Now they're down. Yeah, Nvidia was at all-time highs today. And then they came down, filled in their gap. That's kind of wild. All right, yo, SPY coming back, testing this 660 level. Dude, I'm gonna take it back to a 15-minute. All right, still trying to push up on the SPY. All right, SPY trying to push back up. It's back to the level. Back to the level. I got some studying to do this weekend. Feel like I kind of lost a little bit over this past couple days. Need to get back to the groove. All right, yeah, SPY back above it. Showing liquidity on the 4-hour. Yeah, this might lead to a push up to that other I don't even know what I was about to say. But yeah, might lead to a push up back above that level. See where we end up closing here. we open. So we opened and immediately started selling off. Close right here. Lower low for puts or failed lower low for calls on. Wait, okay. Lower low for puts or failed lower low for calls on SPY. Let's see. So yeah, that's why we want to wait for the close of the candle. Still got like 5 minutes on it. So right here, the current range is going to be from like 662 to 682. The low is going to be 57 to 83. Honestly, from here I would say there is no moves to make on the day from here, like looking at the SPY. If you're trying to look for a reversal, at least not here. It's like we could have just broke and we could be retesting right now and could sell off some more, but I would want to see the RSI cool down, see it come back up to like 50 or so. But I'm not sure how much time we have left on the day. Or I know how much time we have. Like I have like almost 2.5 hours, but they like to play the games. Looks like the VIX is trying to keep that creep back up too. It looks like it's having a tough time on the low. Yeah, so on the 5, we're back above the 13. Failing to get above this resistance, so. Bro, what's this blue check? Members only stream. Switch schedule your live to switch 2 members only. What? Okay. I thought I could already do that. All right. So this right here, we're seeing selling pressure. You see the wicks at the top of these? Yeah, we might be coming back down. Maybe for a double bottom, maybe to make a new low. But just kind of looking at it from here, I would think yeah, it looks like we're about to come back down because that's selling pressure. At least on the 5 minute. And if it came down to the low from where it's at, or what, from where it's at, why is it not? That's about $2.50. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it does when it gets to the bottom, but yeah, it looks like it's coming down lower. Dang, should have listened to you on the bid and ask because lift looked crazy. Bid 2 and ask 28. Oh wow, that is a fat difference. Oh, you must be like really far out of the money. And what time frame are you looking at? That sounds like a short time frame. If it's like that wild and expires the 24th, it's a $24 call. In at 25 is down to 15. Oh yeah, that's because of the spread. All right, yeah, it looks like yeah, that's what that selling pressure was on. So we're selling off some more. Now, if we could get a higher low in here, that would be a good sign for those of you looking for it to come up. All right. So it looks like we might be putting in a higher low. So SPY might be getting ready to continue to go. UAMY. Here, let's see what that is. UAMY. Oh, hold up. United States Army. I didn't even know you could invest in them. So I could come in here, buy all these shares, and be like, yo, I own the US Army. Hold up. Rare earth metal. Wait, is this actually the army, or is this like antimony? Oh, my bad. I don't know why I said I cut out a lot of aren't a lot of letters. It's not US Army. I was about to say. I'm like, yo, if I could own the US Army, make me a very, very powerful man. All right, let's see. So yeah, so they're popping up off of Trump's whole situation. So if I had to make a prediction for this, I would imagine we get some kind of like pullback on this, at least to the 13. Maybe it's a little gap fill over here. Maybe not today, but it's like I would have some stuff like alert set for those levels, and you know, we probably get a little pop on them at those areas.
This is the craziest credit card. You've ever seen. The Robinhood Gold credit card. This card.
Okay, Derive has an Apple swing put. Oh, so we might be coming down some more. Let's see. Apple. So yeah, we got the cross to the downside on Apple. I mean, there's like a little support to like 245, but it can come down there. Like honestly, it seems in order. Like it doesn't seem out of line. All right, and it looks like that was not a. We have not confirmed a higher low because it looks like we are still moving down. Just had some liquidity right there, and now we're back to selling off like we were selling off. Maybe it goes crazy today to the downside in sense. Who knows? I can see the potential for that though. Pulling on back some more on the SPY. Selling on down. Dang, Tesla down to like 417. So Tesla's about this is about an area of support. So you got like this 415 kind of area. Then you got like 410. And then that gives grounds all the way to about 402, below 410. Yeah, I might have to start messing with some market opens. Elizabeth, hey, what's up? Is it too late to get an options trade in today? Was at the uh I think it depends on like your take. If I were to go for anything, it'd be for downside, but I'm gonna tell you the volatility has gone up, which means the premium you're paying for the options has gone up. When it comes to like what the targets I would be looking for, they're not too far away. So it's like you probably can trade, but is it the wisest to? I would likely say no. If I would say if we get something that looks like, say we get like another bottom over here at like 657, I'll probably be off stream, like, because I'm about to get off in a moment. I'll probably be off, but that could be something that played out potentially favorably. Is, ooh, like a little test of this right here, and then boom, back up here. There's potential for that. There's also potential for something more like this. And then there's also the potential for this. Honestly, if I had to lean towards one, I'd probably lean towards not that one so much. But honestly, all three of them could play up. Yeah, we're kind of chilling here a little bit. Yeah, we're kind of maybe take this little pattern I just drew, move it. Oh, hold up, I can't move the whole thing. Oh, yes, I can. Yeah, take it, move it a little more like this or something. That would not surprise me either. I think this one's the most probable. I feel you would not liking to trade the SPY. It's like heavily manipulated. Right now, it's just a lot of everything else is kind of moving similar. So it's like you got to know what you want to trade. It's like if you have something you want to trade, it's like you can do that. But it's like right now a lot of stuff is moving accordingly with it because of Trump. But I think we're gonna wrap it up here, family. So with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. I hope each and every one of y'all in y'all's trades. I hope each and every one of y'all's trades end up working out in your favor. Appreciate each one of y'all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Fire Boss Records. Peace out, Steve. Peace out, Luke. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Bread Guy. Peace out, Elizabeth. Peace out, Ramiro. Peace out, April. Peace out, DK Films. Peace out, Ada. Where I feel like I said that wrong, but yeah. Have a peace out, Stan. You said what time do you go on live? So Monday through Thursday, 10:30. I'm about to start doing Fridays right at market open, because it's wild. Peace out, Travis. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Lucky J. Hey, didn't even know you were here today, Lucky J. Hey, good to see you. Hey, but yeah, peace out, family. Y'all have a blessed day. Catch y'all next week. Let's see. Peace out.